Hi, this is Teddy. The question is this: can the Google form owner see what Google account you're connected to when you fill out a form? And I'm going to show you how this works in this video, but before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create these videos specifically for you. There's actually, the answer changes if you're using Gmail versus Google Workspace, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So I'm going to show you the Gmail answer to this question first. I'm logged into burrisconsulting@gmail.com. So I've got a form here, the anonymous high school confession page, and you'll see I'm asking for the email address. So when you fill this form out, it's going to ask you for your email address. You got to put an email address in here, but it does not need to be that email address. You can be any email address you want. So when you fill this form out, the form owner is going to see this. They're going to see all of the information you fill out, including the email address you give them. But again, it does not need to be the same email address that if you are in fact logged into Google. Now, let's go look at a Google Workspace version. Give me a second to get there. So I'm in Google Workspace now. I'm in my TL Burris at teddyburris.com. And I created this really simple little form testing stuff. Now, if you go look at settings, you'll see under settings, by default, I'm not collecting an email address. I'm not sending a response back. I'm not allowing editing. But look, requires sign in. In Google Workspace, you can require sign-in, and it is restricted to users of Burris Consulting, Inc. And by the way, you can see right here, respondents will be required to sign in to Google. So I'm forcing you to sign into Google, and I'm forcing this only for people who are a part of the domain, Burris Consulting, Inc., or its trusted organizations. So I can turn that off, and now I won't know. Again, turn it on, and I'm going to know that you're in Burris Consulting, Inc., or you're in, at the very least, you're logged into an email address for associated@teddyburris.com for you to fill this out. But again, if it's turned off, anybody can get to it, and I'll never know what Gmail or Google Workspace account you're associated with from the data that I collect. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.